In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a Facebook post using Meta Business Suite. This is a handy skill to enhance your social media presence, allowing you to share relevant content effectively with your audience. Whether you're promoting an event, directing people to a blog post, or highlighting a special offer on your website, knowing how to seamlessly integrate links into your Facebook posts can make a significant impact. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open the Meta Business Suite. This powerful tool by Meta is designed to help you manage your Facebook and Instagram presence all in one place, ensuring you can efficiently handle everything from scheduling posts to reviewing analytics. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, navigate towards the Create a Post section. This area is your starting ground for making impactful posts that resonate with your audience. Now comes the crucial part, adding your link. You'll want to paste your chosen URL directly into the Create a Post text box. The system is designed to be intuitive, so as soon as you input the URL, you'll see a preview of the link generated automatically. This preview includes elements like the title, a short description, and an image drawn from the link. It's a fantastic feature because it offers your audience a sneak peek of the content they're about to explore, enhancing their engagement and curiosity. After the link preview appears, you might wonder whether you should keep the URL text in the post. A little trick to keep your post clean and visually appealing is to delete the URL from the text. Don't worry, doing this will not remove the preview. It remains intact, allowing your post to look professional and tidy while still directing your audience to the intended URL with a simple click. Finally, with your link now part of the post and looking great, it's time to hit that Post button. This step will publish your post, complete with the now previewed link, onto your Facebook page for all to see. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use this technique, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become at integrating links while crafting your posts. In summary, using Meta Business Suite to add links within your Facebook posts is a straightforward and effective way to enhance your content strategy. By simply pasting the URL directly into the text box and utilizing the automatic preview generation, you're set to create a clean, engaging post. Perfecting this skill will help you better capture your audience's attention and direct them towards the content you want to highlight. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more social media tips and tricks, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.